Yes, the festive collection is landing this Friday, so let's look at some incredible pairings and ways to style them. This is Winter View paired with gloss white. Look at this incredible reflection you get. And yes, there are 2 window surfaces coming out with this collection. Instead, you can pair it with biscotti linen, which has this amazing fabric texture. And you can also see that we draped this styling towel, which will also be available in a trio on Friday, in kind of a C shape that hugs your subject and faces to the side. Alternatively, you can make a similar C shape with your towel, but have it face the front of your photo like this. This is also the iced lights surface. It looks amazing, and this is paired with the midnight surface. Let's stick with iced lights. This is it paired with the white birch surface, also coming on Friday. We styled this really simply just by using a bar tool set in the background because it's a cocktail. This is one of my favorite pairings because of the icy and warm contrast. Ice lights, rustic chevron. Also note that for styling props, we just use cinnamon sticks and pine cones. Very on season, very easy to style with. Speaking of lights, here's festive lights paired with white birch. This pairing, so good, so seasonal, I love it. Here's the exact same styling with the holly sprigs and the riser, but now we swapped in rustic chevron. It looks so good upright or as your horizontal surface or from flat lay. I'll show you in a sec. This is how you create an invisible riser. All you have to do is drape a styling towel over any box-shaped item you have. It doesn't have to look pretty because you're gonna cover it up. What this does is turns anything in your house into a riser, and it adds incredible color and texture. Here's the exact same styling, but now we swapped in rustic chevron as the upright surface. And by the way, all of these towels you see here, they're all available this Friday. Here's how to create depth in a flat lay that would otherwise look flat. Use a riser like this. Like this. What this does is it separates your subject from the background and it creates depth where there otherwise wouldn't be any. If you have a smaller object like this that you can't hide a riser under, watch this. I'll show you how to elevate this. Clear hairspray caps. That is all we use to elevate these snowflakes. Here's a super easy way to create a frame for your subject. Grab any object of any shape you like, place objects around it, then remove the stencil, and you've got a frame for your subject. So that's it, guys. I can't wait to see you on Friday so you can grab everything you need for your holiday and winter styling.